Corral, okay?
Uh-oh, I'm not four-wheel drive, and we actually started slewing. Well guys, we made it down here to the property in Portsmouth. I don't know if anybody knows, but my family owns 100 acres in Portsmouth. We haven't been down here in a long time. So today we thought we'd come down and push through the property, see if there's anybody out here hunting. If there was, push them out and let them know they're not welcome here to hunt. If you're unfamiliar, you do need written permission every year from the landowner. So that's why we're here. Just making sure there's no tree stand set up, blinds, paths cut, damage to the property, whatnot. But that's it for now. We'll check back here in a minute.
Oh yeah, so you recognize that walnut tree? How far away is the foundation?
Up the hill.
Up the hill? Roger that. Little ways and bare right. Is this y'all a tire pile and a corn planter?
That's the corn planter.
Dang, that thing's pretty sweet, cuz.
These are the tires that my brother got into and they got stung.
Look, there's a crazy hillbilly in
They
the
got
damn woods.
You're crazy.
They got stung a whole bunch, you said, Mama?
Yeah.
Crazy hillbilly. Watch out. This is where I'd like to cut camp. Like right there.
Well, I mean, we can.
How cool would that be?
We could, I mean, I wouldn't mind putting a couple in, you know?
It's a long way up that hill, huh?
It's a lot better now than it was back in 2001, 2002.
Hey, Mama.
See how the green vines with the pictures on it?
Yeah.
Says she might think the foundation might be. To the old farmhouse. Oh, I see something over here. What's this over here? Something green and mossy. Could be a sign of a foundation. We finally made it to the old foundation. Wow. What a tiny crawl space cellar or whatever, huh?
Well, you can't really judge it right from how it looks now.
Oh, I know.
You don't know where the floorboards were. I mean, the
Right.
Refrigerator.
Yeah. There's the old washing machine down in there too.
I'm sorry, doggy.
you flushed before you left.
Well, here's the pipe.
There's a possible water source.
Yeah.
So I'm setting my rifle down right here. Hey, y'all know. What is that, scum doggy? What did Papa find? Oh, look, we can go cook with this. Mom, would you eat out of those?
Yeah.
What's that? Look at that washing machine. What in the world?
There's two of them over there. There's one over there.
That's the basement, John.
I know it is. Look at that stove.
that there,
That's the
Marty?
stove. found some. Yeah, I found some stuff. Oh, you got here some old jars.
There. Looks like a smokehouse.
It's like they carried these metal totes out here full of shit.
And then the bottom rots out of it, and then people come up there and breakfast it.
Cause you want to sip? It's got the lid on it.
Shake it, see what proof it is. Oh man, look at them bubbles popping on the top.
Mama, is this an old ketchup pop? Look, it probably is. It's a ketchup bottle.
It is a ketchup bottle.
It's a ketchup.
It's the old ketchup pop bottle right here, y'all.
There you go.
This is it. Like,
That's the one they refilled.
yeah, and they'd shake it up. Ketchup pop. Ooh, look at that mug right there. It's broken.
Heinz 57.
You found one or no?
No, we can't.
Oh, that's, yeah, this is Heinz 57 for sure.
Mommy used to make her kraut out here in the smokehouse.
I got a ketchup pop bottle. I'm definitely taking it.
Oh yeah, that's a good. That probably was a Heinz.
No.
I got a really good bottle over there. So
I want a good bottle. I like this ketchup pop bottle. Don't get me
Oh,
wrong.
we can get a good thing.
there's one down there. Yeah.
Broken.
How cool is
It's
that?
broken. Otherwise, it would have been real cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. This must have been that little house. We had like a little house that was get away, but I
What in the world is that?
it was an old pot.
Not really, Mama. It's too far gone. What was this? Oh, that would have been sweet too.
Another ketchup bottle.
Look at the lids on it. That has ketchup in it, y'all. Look, there's the real deal ketchup pop, man.
All they used to do was throw shit away, John. They didn't even care if mommy, you know.
No,
Chet
man.
down there, he's found him
We
himself
ate a
nice
lot
spot.
of ketchup.
There's a whole other dump right there. Look.
They're all over the place.
Last pickle barrel.
I got another glass pickle barrel right there too. Oh, it's rotted out.
You like that one?
Yep. Oh, are you broken? Oh, it's not.
It's not
It's almost broken now.
all grainy.
Dude, there's 2 ketchup pops. You want one?
Oh yeah, that was the pile.
Ketchup pop. Found me my own ketchup pop.
Dude, like, look at this, man. It's growing
Yeah, it got its own like
ecosystem inside the ball.
inside of it. Yes, the famous ketchup pop. Y'all had a lot of that up here in the hills, didn't you? Macaroni and ketchup pop. Delicious. Right, Marty, you're all cut up.
She goes, yep, that was the pile.
We threw all of our junk.
There's a lot here, too.
Yeah.
Chet.
You say this is where you used to dump all the glass garbage and everything, Auntie? Yeah. Bunch of damn pigs.
Pigs.
Nah, they didn't know no damn better. They probably thought they'd be able to keep it and save it.
Hey, cuz, you got a Yeti call?
You damn right I got a Yeti call. We got to call in Bigfoot.
Nailed it.
Stay the fuck out. But kind of want to put camp number 1 right up in this general area.
Right in that general area over there.
Yeah, right in that at the base of the hill.
General area.
And then where you were talking about where those 2 little points can go. That's where I have the big campsite. You know what I mean with the
Yeah, even like a log cabin possibly. We could start camping here and like build back there.
with the thumper and the worm.
Oh yeah, that kind of camp.
Because that's where you're going to get most of your fresh water
that fresh
from.
water. We'll make a fresh water hole back there too.
Yes, sir.
For sure.